So here's the deal. I went on vacation, and I brought my iPod, and I accidentally left the cable at home. But then I also accidentally left the iPod on in my bag, and you know what? When I got where I was going, the battery was dead. So, I'm thinking, if only I had a dealextreme charger that went from my iPod to my USB. Because guess what? I got one of these in the car, and I got one of these on my iPod. I also got one of these for the wall. It charges my camera. I went down to the store. You go down to, I don't know, big electronics store. You know how much these things are? They're like 20 bucks. You know how much they are at dealextreme? They're like nothing. In fact, they even mail them to you for free. This goes into the iPod, this goes into your computer, or the wall, or your car,